For number 16 in the review number 1, we need to transform PSF into SIF, and so I need to distribute this negative 10. And so I have y minus 5 equals, I distribute, we get negative 10x and negative 20. And then I just add 5 to the 20. Alright, so this gives me negative 10x minus 15. So it has to be A. And again, I know that that slope is a negative 10, which never changes. So over here in my answer choices, I have to have a negative 10x. And these do not have negative 10x. So I could eliminate those. Okay, and the last 4 are just exponent rule problems. So I would work them out and then find your answer. So 6 times 3 is 18. And then we add x's. So 2 plus 5 would be 7. So this is D. For number 18, I divide, and I get negative 9. And then I subtract the x's. So 7 minus 3 is 4. And 4 minus 6 is negative 2. We just move our negative exponents. So this negative 9 will stay as a positive 1 exponent. X to the 4th will stay. But y squared moves to the bottom of the fraction. So if I compare, looks like C is our solution. Okay, number 19. For this one, you're multiplying because you have parentheses. So there's a 1 right here. And we're saying 3 times 1 is 3. 0 times 3 is 0. And 3 times 4 is 12. So it says simplify, which we've done, and then evaluate, which we do next. So 2 to the 3rd power is 8. X to the 0 is just 1, so we don't need that really. And then you bring down y to the 12th. So A is my solution. Okay. And then lastly, we're going to multiply, just kind of actually like this one here, 17. We're going to multiply that 8 and that 3 together and get 24. And then we add our x's. So x to the 8th. And then 2 minus 3 is negative 1. But we can't have that negative there. So we're going to move that y to the bottom of the fraction. And again, like when we just have the variable, we don't need the exponent 1 up there unless it was something bigger than 1. So if I look at my choices, D is my answer. Okay, that is the end of the Unit 1 Final Exam Review.